I'm Dave from Nitrous Outlet, and this is our Pro wiring harness. This harness is designed to eliminate wiring issues in nitrous installations. The system, when the customer orders it, it will just plug and play. These wires right here will be terminated. They'll pull it through the firewall. The customer will take in, put on the weather pack connector, make the final connection point. We have it designed to work for 2 stages. It has the relays for a dedicated fuel system, remote bottle opener, bottle heater, and the nitrous controller and switch panel.